Hello, welcome to Educative Curve. This is Somrita and today we will learn about modal auxiliaries. Okay? So see, modal auxiliaries are the verbs that are used to denote the mood or the attitude of a speaker. Okay? So these words describe what the speaker wants to do. The work that the speaker wants to do, in what mode, in what medium, or in what way the work will be done. Okay, so see, the common modals that we use are can, could, may, might, should, would, must, ought to, am, was, have, had, used, need, dare, shall and will. Okay, these are the common modals that we use. Now we will understand what are the functions of these modals and in what way these modals are used to convey those specific meanings. So see, modals have several functions. They are used to ask permission, ability, possibility, suggestion, promise, intention, request, necessity, prohibition, wish or prayer, and duty or obligation. In case of permission, suppose I say, may I go to the movies? So I am asking permission from someone to go and see the movies. Okay. So here this may defines this act of asking permission. Okay. Let's see in case of ability. Ability means you want to assess yourself if you can do or cannot do a work. Suppose I say, can I speak in English? Or can I do the sum? So, you are asking yourself or you are asking someone to assess your ability of doing or speaking in English or doing the sum. Okay. Now, in case of possibility, we want to guess if a certain event will or will not happen. Okay, we don't know whether it will happen, but we sometimes guess about events. So like suppose the falling of a rain. If we see the cloudy sky, we say it may rain. So there is a possibility that it might rain. It is not sure. You cannot say for 100% sure that it will rain, but you must guess that it might rain. So it might or may rain. So the possibility of raining. Okay? Now let's see suggestion or advice. Okay. You should study hard. Okay. That means if you don't study hard, you might fail the examinations. So you are suggesting someone to study hard. Okay. So this word should enables you to explain to someone or suggest someone that they should study hard. If I talk about promise, then I will help you. That means you are promising someone that you are going to help that person with the modal will. Okay? Now see intention. So see, I will pass the examination, so I am studying hard. So I am determined, I am intending to pass my examinations, and for this reason I am studying. So this will over here describes my intention of passing the examination due to which I am studying. Okay? Now request. Will you hand me the pen? That means you are requesting someone to give you a pen. Now you could have written this in this way, please give me the pen. Okay, but when you are using will, it is having the same effect as being a request. Necessity. That means you need something, you want something. If you don't get it, then that means you will not have your work done. Okay, so we can use it in this way. I should be going home. That means it is your need to go home. If you don't go home, something bad might happen. Maybe your mother will scold you, your father will scold you, or maybe something will happen. So you should going home. Okay. So here this should is helping this verb going to enhance its meaning and saying that this going is the important task and it should be done. So this should is describing your necessity to go home. Okay? Now see, prohibition. Prohibition means ban or barring or something that you should not be doing. This is the meaning of prohibition. So, when we prohibit something, what can we say? Suppose you and your friends decide to play a prank on the school and decide to break the school gates and enter the school at night and do some vandalisms. Okay, but you should not break into the school. That means this should is telling you that breaking into the school is prohibited, it's bad and it should not be done. Okay? Wish or prayer. May you live long. That means you are wanting someone's longevity or life longevity to grow. Okay, so you are wanting that person to live long. You are wishing for that person with this modal may to live long. Now, duty or obligation, that means something that you are obliged to do, so something that you have to do, something that you have promised someone that you will do. Okay, so I should do this work since I promised to do it. Okay? So, using this word should, I am stating my obligation or my duty, my sense of responsibility to do the work because I promised to do it. So, this is it on modals today. next video I'll teach you more about modals and the different usability of different types of modals. And so please like, share, comment. Please click the bell option for notification, and please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned right on Educative Curve. Okay, in the description box in the link below you will get a series of exercises to practice at home. And okay, please stay tuned to Educative Curve, and thank you.